Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. As someone who cares about the quality of the water that my family drinks, I rely on this 6-layer water filtration pitcher from Waterdrop every day. Its advanced design features a dual resin layer that delivers 0 TDS purified water. What does that mean? Well, it means that it's going to remove virtually all dissolved solids for the cleanest, purest taste. Assembling the water pitcher was easy and straightforward because it comes with clear instructions and they do include a filter. So in no time at all, my Waterdrop water pitcher was ready to go to give me filtered water on demand right from my fridge. Now it does have a 35 cup capacity, so it has a large capacity, but the slim design means it is not going to take up a ton of space in your fridge. Now I primarily am using this in my office, and the sink and the fridge are very small, but I can fill this pitcher easily in the sink and it takes up a minimal amount of space in the fridge. And thanks to the reliable filter life reminder, I'm never going to have to guess when it's time for a replacement. So clean water, total peace of mind, it's a next level solution for everyday hydration. And that is my point of view.